All right, so Notion Mail has finally dropped into my Notion account. And so I kind of just want to show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty dope and they have some really cool features. So let's go on over there. So basically, this is what it looks like. It is taking from the email that I've linked up with my Notion account. So whatever email you sign up with your Notion account, it's going to take that email and take when you sign up for your Notion mail, it's going to use that email also for your Notion mail. So make sure if it's your professional email, if you're doing professional things, to use, if it's for personal use, and use your personal email so that you can pull from the same stuff. So basically, I have it in a regular view of my inbox for today, things I got in yesterday, etc. Kind of like regular view. I can compose a new email as if I'm in Gmail by just clicking this. And I can also change that view if I wanted to, like change how this looks, which is really cool by going to like settings and changing the inbox to like priority. So I can go switch it over to priority. It takes a little second and then it goes by priority, right? So I just sent myself a message really quickly from another for my work email. And so let's open it up. I immediately got it right here. So got the message. I would love to connect. So I can suggest some times. I can say that I'm unavailable to connect. And then I said, let's connect. These are like auto replies. So here's a way where I could suggest some times. Can you suggest some times? When you ask me back, I can press send and quickly it be sent to the person. Or I can then, schedule something like this. I can change the wording, follow up. And these are like snippets. So basically what snippets are like little email templates. So these email templates you can take from whatever they have. So this is like a follow-up one. Hey, Merkaba, blah, 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 blah. As we discussed, actionize, blah, blah, blah. You can just plug it in, right? Or you can create your own. So you can create your own email template. So you can say, it was nice talking to you. Here's my booking link. Can't wait to see you, right? And then all you're doing is clicking that snippet, pressing send. This will save you so much time. If there is someone that's doing your email for you, it will save them time because it actually is in the wording that you would use, right? And it's not so generic. It actually is customizable for yourself. And of course, like you can link if you are in a Notion space and you have an assistant that's governing over your emails, you can easily have them share this link to this message and then go back to the Notion workspace and say, hey, just sent this message over to such and such, and here's what the message said. Paste the link right in there. So now you have full access to like that whole entire conversation. Super dope. I know. I'm geeking out about it, y'all. Geeking out about it. And so I changed the view to priority. So even like with you can change statuses. So if this became an important email, you can throw that into important email. If it's one that you have to do, you can change it to do. You can also change it to waiting, like we're waiting in response, right? Amazing feature. I think this is going to be the view of my email that I would like. Of course, you have the regular features that you usually see with Notion, adding Notion Mail, having the Notion calendar, and having the Notion just regular note taking workspace in general where you're managing everything. It is now taking them into a space where they become an all around workspace vibe. So I think it's super cool. I'm excited to see what comes up next.